Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Agoda name. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the Agoda official website, and when you have logged in and signed up, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be a circular icon. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear in front of your screen. And inside my account section, you just have to look in the bottom of that section. There will be profile. Just click on it and profile section will be appeared. And on the right hand side of the screen, there will be user details, and below the user details will be name. Now you just have to look on the right hand side of the name. There will be edit button. Just click on it and edit section will be appeared right in front of it. Now you just have to remove your previous first name and last name and enter your new name that you want to add, and click on the save button, and you will be able to change name in Agoda. So this is how you can easily change Agoda name. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.